how to paint or unpaint in Revit. Okay, for that I have selected the real-time project. This is a new project I am doing. Okay, I'm going to paint this wall. Okay, let's see how to do it. For that you have to enter the modify tab. Under the modify tab, in the geometry section, you can see this is the paint button logo. There is a small arrow here. When I click on it, paint, remove paint. There are two options as paint or remove paint. I'm selecting paint. Then this material browser is opening automatically. You can see there are many materials in this material browser. You can click on any material which I need to paint. It means if I select this dark wood by double clicking on it, you can see that when I move my cursor near to materials, the material surface get marked like this. Okay, then if you need to paint this wall by using that selected material, you have to click on it. Okay, now this one is painting by this dark wood. Okay, I'll remove it. Okay, I remove it, and again modify, geometry section, paint. Okay, these are the materials. These are the materials we have. Okay, this one is wall stone. Is that when I click on the selected wall, that wall get painted. Okay, if you need to remove that paint, then you have to click this is small arrow, remove paint. Okay, and then when I move my cursor near to walls, it get marked. You can see that, but that is not just like with the previous way. You can see that the selection is happening near only the painted walls. You can see that. Okay, when I click on it, painting goes removed. Okay, that's the way of paint and remove paint in Revit. If you have a question, put it as a comment in the comment section and I will answer each and every question. Thank you.